Hello guys, and in today's video, I'll show you how you can check your Gmail login activity. Let's begin. First, open up your Chrome browser. From here, I want you to click on your profile icon right over this section. Manage your Google account. On the left panel, click on Security and Sign In. So this is where all of your important security settings are located. If you have a notification over here, I highly suggest you do that first because there might be some unknown activity you need to double check. If necessary, update your password. Once done, scroll down over here. Click on Manage All Devices. This is where you can check all of your Gmail login activity, all right? From every single device out there, from mobile phones, PC, and laptop, right? So make sure to check every single one. You recognize all of those devices. And if you see any unknown device, I highly suggest you to click on it and sign out your account immediately, all right? So you can click over here. You will be prompted to enter your password or passkey, and then just simply click on sign out and then sign out. Well, basically, that's it. It's how you can easily get this done and check your Gmail login activity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.